See the example problem 8.4. Figure below depicts two circular motion. The radius of the circle, the period of revolution, the initial position and the sense of revolution are indicated on the figure. Obtain the simple harmonic motion of the x projection of the radius of the rotating particle p in each case. So here two circular motions are given. In this circular motion, so they give radius of circle. So here radius of circle is given. So that is, here it is A, here it is B. The period of revolution is given. So here it is t is equal to 30 seconds. Here t is equal to 4 seconds. Here initial position is given. So here initial position means what? At t is equal to 0. So that is angle initial position is nothing but phase constant. Here it is pi is equal to 90 degrees. Here t is equal to 0. Here it is 45 degrees. And the sense of the revolution is given. Here sense of the revolution means what? So here it is the particle move in anti-clockwise direction. Here this particle move in clockwise direction. So we have to find simple harmonic motion of x projection of the radius vector of the rotating particle. So here we have to find simple harmonic motion of the x projection. So that is, here the projection of OP bar along x-axis is OP dash. So that is x of t. So here we have to find x of t in each case. Let us see first figure. Here at time t is equal to 0, particle is here. So the position vector OP bar make an angle with x-axis is 45 degrees. So that is known as initial phase or phase constant. So at time t is equal to 0. So here initial phase pi is equal to how much? Or phase constant is equal to how much? That is 45 degrees. So that is known as, in radians, it is pi by 4 radians. After t time, the angular displacement of position vector is how much it is? So we know angular velocity omega is equal to angular displacement by time. So from this angular displacement theta is equal to, how we can write? Omega into t. So after t time, particle is here. For example, particle is here. So your angular displacement is how much? It is omega into t. So here it is omega into t. Here omega is angular frequency, that is known as 2 pi by capital T into small t. So after t time, position vector OP bar make an angle with x-axis is, so here after t time, position vector OP bar make an angle with x-axis is, so it is how much? So see, after t time, particle is here. So what is the angle that make with x-axis is how much? Here to here it is 45, here to here it is omega t. So how much it is? 45 plus omega t. So here pi by 4. So here I am taking plus because the particle is move in anti-clockwise direction. So that's why here I am taking plus. So omega t is equal to how much it is? 2 pi by t into t. So after t time, the position vector OP bar make an angle with x-axis is how much? 45 plus omega t. Here omega t is equal to 2 pi by t into t. Here particle move in anti-clockwise direction. That is why here I am taking plus. At t time, projection of position vector. OP bar is, so here what is the after t time, so here what is the projection, so here projection is p dash, so here projection of position vector OP bar is how much, so that is OP dash, so OP dash is nothing but here x of t, so x of t is equal to, how we can write, hey, amplitude, here amplitude is x of t is equal to a cos pi by 4 plus 2 pi by t into small t. So here t is given, how much, t is equal to 4 second, so t is equal to 4 second, so what is x of t, here x of t is equal to a cos 2 pi by 4 t plus pi by 4. So here 2 1 the 2 2 the 4. So therefore here x of t is equal to how much, a cos pi by 2 t plus pi by 4. So this equation represent simple harmonic motion with amplitude A, angular frequency is pi by 2 and initial phase is pi by 4. See second figure. In this figure, at time t is equal to 0, particle is here. So at time t is equal to 0, the position vector OP bar make an angle with x-axis is 90 degrees. So here that is known as initial phase or phase constant. So that is how much, here it is 90 degrees. So that is called pi by 2 radians. After t time, angular displacement of position vector. So here after let us consider the particle is here after t time. So what is the angular displacement? This is angular displacement. So but here particle move in clockwise direction. So here I am taking minus omega t. If particle move anti-clockwise direction, so here it is plus. If particle move in clockwise direction, here it is minus. So here minus omega t. Here minus omega is 2 pi by t into t. After t time, OP bar make here after t time, the position vector OP bar make an angle with x-axis is how much it is. See here, initially it is 90 degrees, then after it is omega t. So 90, that is pi by 2. Here then after it is, what is the angular displacement? That is minus omega t, that is minus 2 pi by t into small t. At t time, projection of position vector. OP bar is, so what is that? That is nothing but x of t. So here amplitude is B. Here after t time, let us take here projection P dash. What is the position of projection P dash? That is OP dash. Here OP dash is nothing but x of t. So that is x of t is equal B cos phase. Phase is equal pi by 2 minus 2 pi by t into t. But t is given. T is equal to how much? 30 seconds. So from this x of t is equal to how we can write? B into cos pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 30 into t. Here 2 ones the 2 15 the. So we know cos minus theta is equal. Cos theta can be written as cos minus theta. So it can be written as how we can write? X of t is equal B. Here cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos pi by 15t minus pi by 2. So this equation represents simple harmonic motion with amplitude B, angular frequency is pi by 15, phase constant is minus pi by 2. See example problem 8.5. A body oscillates with simple harmonic motion according to the equation x is equal to 5 cos 2 pi t plus pi by 4 at t is equal to 1.5 second. Calculate the displacement, speed and acceleration of the body. So here equation is given. So that is equal to x is equal to 5 cos 2 pi t plus pi by 4. Here we already learned the displacement variable x of t is equal to a cos omega t plus pi. What about v of t? That is minus omega a sin omega t plus pi. So here acceleration variable a of t is equal to minus omega square a cos omega t plus pi, or a of t is equal to minus omega square, here a cos omega t is equal to x of t. So compare this equation with this. So here amplitude A is equal to 5. Angular frequency omega is equal to 2 pi. And phase constant pi is equal to pi by 4. So let us find displacement at time t is equal to 1.5 second. So here first one is at time t is equal to 1.5 second. Here what is the displacement? So x is equal to, what is that? 5 into cos 2 pi into, here t is equal to how much? It is 1.5 plus pi by 4. So that is equal 5 into cos, here 15 2s are 30, so 3.0. So it is 3 pi plus pi by 4. So that is equal, here cos 3 pi plus pi by 4 is equal minus cos pi by 4. So that is equal minus 5 cos pi by 4. So that is equal minus 5 into cos pi by 4 is value what? That is 1 by root 2. So finally this value is how much? That is, so that is minus 3.535 meters. See the second one. Here v of t is equal to what? Minus omega a sin omega t plus pi. At time t is equal to 1.5 seconds. So here at time t is equal to 1.5 second. What is v? Here v is equal to minus omega is equal to how much it is? 2 pi. Amplitude A is 5 sin 2 pi into t is equal 1.5 plus pi is equal pi by 4. So here 5 to the minus 10 pi into sine 1.5 into 2. Here 1.5 into 2, that is called 15 to the 30. Here it is pi. So it is 3 pi plus pi by 4. So that is called minus 10 pi into sine 3 plus pi by 4 is how much? It is minus sine pi by 4. So here minus minus plus sine pi by 4. So finally it is 10. What is the pi value? It is 3.14 into sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So finally we can get V is equal at t is equal 1.5 second. It is 22 meter per second. Let us see third one. C. Here a of t is equal what? Minus omega square x of t. So here at time t is equal 1.5 second. How we can write? Expression a is equal minus omega. Omega is equal how much? 2 pi whole square. What is the x of t at time t is equal 1.5 second? So here we can get minus 3.535 meters. So minus 3.535. So from this a is equal here 4 pi square is here pi is 3.14 whole square. So that is 3.535. Finally acceleration is how much we can get? That is 140 meter per second square.